All right, good morning, guys. Let's see. So I already checked the market profile. I can tell you it's not looking all that great. Looks like it's gonna have a range there. I'll show you. Let me put this final line away here. It looks like it's gonna be a range date again. I don't. Let's see. So again, we opening within value. We don't put it good here, so I don't expect to go too far out. Suspect we're probably gonna end up between 2173 and the overnight high. I don't know if we'll hit either of this limit down here, but it looks like it's gonna be a range day, meaning it's gonna be a tough day. Range days to me are tough. So, but the good thing is this is we're starting to put a trend down. We're moving away from the middle VWAP, which is one thing I like. I don't like how close the VWAPs are together. I want to see a little bit more distance. Like this, it would have been great, but we don't have that. Okay, so now we got some conviction down. Pretty good. Just in case you didn't know, I usually don't trade the first 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. I don't trade them. I wait to see what kind of reaction we're gonna get. And there is no rush. Oh wow. There is no rush. Take trades, it's a long day. Well, it looks like we're gonna go down. Okay. With that strong reaction, probability we're gonna hit this prior range low. What it looked like. So I like it when first thing in the morning, you immediately can have an idea where the market's gonna head. You have an idea where the market's gonna go, it should be profitable. And it just looks like we're going down. Let me see if I can get some more lines over here. Okay, so what I see that is pretty good is down here. Okay. So yeah, so this line right here is pretty good. This area here is good too. So this area here is really good. I like this area. And this prior range low is absolutely juicy. Very juicy. So we got directional conviction. That's good. Something we haven't seen in a couple of days. Oh, look at this. That's why I like shorts. Shorts are the best. Like you get a lot of quick reaction. Something you don't get that often with going up with longs. I don't take trades right now because we're on the third VWAP, the third variation of the VWAP, and usually when the market's at that level, it usually makes comes back around. We are having we're getting diversion here. We don't have any here. We do have it here. Oh yeah, so that downtrend we can call established already. This is the first test of the up zone. Would love for this price to go down to this level. If it gets there, it lines up perfectly with this with the pivot point, which is absolutely um it would be an absolutely good entry point for me. But yeah, this price range low is looking really juicy. Looking really juicy. I think yeah, look at all this area here. Um, and that just tell me there's a lot of liquidity down here. But I think we have a naked POC. Way down there. I didn't get that push over here. I'm waiting. Oh, and again, sorry about that. I'm sticking to, waiting for the first 10 minutes or so before I make a trade. So that's why I haven't taken a trade. But I would, if we would make it here, I would have break the rule and taken a trade. If we would have get this level, I definitely would have broken that rule and taken a trade. So yesterday, for those who are not here, I say something that I think a lot of people just didn't put that much attention to it, but it's in regard to trading patterns. Yeah, people talk about when you see something like this, whatever it means up or it means down, whatever, don't matter. Um, it don't matter how high a probability it is. If nobody's looking at those damn patterns, it means nothing. You're counting with a lot of people looking at the same candle, they're looking at the patterns and that they're seeing those patterns because the market moves not by pattern, it moves by people buying or selling. So the patterns mean nothing if nobody's buying. So uh again, I don't if you're gonna take a pattern, I would suggest you use patterns and strongly rely with your indicators. But the indicators will tell you if there are really buyers there or not. So that's it. That's my 2 cents on that thing on pattern because I see a lot of shorts. I see a lot of shorts and people showing patterns here and there, uh, and they say this is what you should take, and they forget to mention that it's only valid is enough people see it. Um, uh, if only one person, let's say one of those big market movers, see it, or decide to go against it, uh, it's gonna go against you, especially if they can see the stop. If they can see the stop, which they can, they see the stop, and there's enough stop there, they're gonna go against you. They're gonna use that pattern to go against you, and then you're gonna say, oh well, this is one of the lowest probability, and it's true, it's one of the lowest probability. Or you may say, oh, it was bound to happen eventually. It's not gonna pay out. Pay out because you're not paying attention to the damn indicators. You're just going by the patterns. If you go by the patterns alone, you're gonna get crushed. Uh, these people, the movers and the shakers, those guys, they're looking for your stops. They are. That's why they're looking for them. That was still don't see anything. Right here would have been a good point, but not enough candles to give it a try. Now we got divergence, and it's a really strong divergence right here. We got divergence. Yeah. Divergence. Look at this, still going down, by the way. Going to the prior range low, like I said, damn. So again, just because you gotta look, you gotta look for your entry points. Just because you have a trade idea, make sure the indicators are with you on your side, which they're not right now, because if I have a divergence, so it's not, they're not on my side. Although this one's still pointing now, which is my number one, but still, you can't ignore divergence. Yeah, that will be done to ignore it. We have divergence. Most likely we're gonna hit that prior range, which is what I suspect we are gonna hit it, and possibly go down a little bit more. I don't know how far down, so we see if I can put something here. Divergence. Oh, right down here maybe. It's a long way. I will put one here. That's the best one, and probably one there. That's it. Maybe. So gotta keep an eye on it. So yeah. Now we're back here. We testing this area. I like the fact that it's on the second deviation VWAP. I like that. So you see, like, even though it touched here, but the indicators, we were having a divergence. So even though we were touching this area, I still wouldn't touch it because the indicators were not on my side. They were not on my side. So don't take it. We are also on a strong downtrend, which is a positive. It's good enough motive to ignore in a way the indicators. I'm gonna take a short here. It's a little bit iffy. A little bit iffy. It's because it's right here. If it breaks all this, make it here. I put this line. This is not part of the market profile. I put that myself later on, just to give me something else, because I wasn't having anything. Because there, indicators still looking good. I don't like I don't like this those candles right here. Remove my stop here just in case. I don't like those candles. So we move slowly, see? Slowly. Those candles over here I don't really like. But still looking good for a short though. We still come back and put a stop right here. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I did had a trade on another chart and it added to this. So I mainly trade NQ, so but so that's what happened. I took it on the on the ES because I saw the target as well. A nice little rebounds. Might be worth taking. Good, take it. Oh, it left me behind. Oh, it didn't. Hope it make it here. Ah, 114 right there when I came in. The downtrend still strong. But there you go. Oh wow. Everybody's selling today. It's a good sign. Go. A little bit more, a little bit more. This is the next area. So even though this is a really good area here, waiting for any kind of sign though, tells me get out. We'll get out. That's a good sign. Get out. So as you can see, uh, I trade really easy. I make sure I'm looking at the indicators, what the indicators are telling me, and the candles. I got a nice area where I take them. Let me see if I can put in the target. So you can see I'll took them here. It was kind of like, it looks like I enter a little bit late, but really I enter on this candle, a strong candle, not in there. So, and the stop over, I think I had my stop over here. I don't know where I had somewhere, but it should have been here. So it wasn't a big risk. Now you have this cradle over here that I always talk about. This cradle. Let me take it out. Like this. I do like this. That was a good one, but the problem is I'm way too extended right now. Way too extended. I mean, we can still keep going down, but looks interesting, but a little bit late. As you can see how I took this one right over here. I took it, was it that one? Let me see. No, right here. You saw me take it this one. The same candle, and you saw all those market orders come in. That means that everybody was looking at the same candle I was looking. Everybody put in the position. It's that simple. So this line does not say go down. That line does no. It's the people. The people decide whether they're going to buy or not. That's what you gotta get. That's what you gotta get in your mind. Is that it's not the trend that tells you that it's gonna go down, or well, the trend tells you, gives you an idea where it's gonna go, or where people are more biased to. But you still gotta wait for the people to take the trade. If nobody take the trade, it ain't going nowhere. It's just gonna be flat. So keep that in mind. See this line that I just drew? I held in there pretty strong. And I just put this in there. Let me show you. That's the line I said it was a good one over here and possibly down here. This is my last line I put down here. May or may not get there. But this is one hell of a melt. I got divergence again. Can't ignore divergence. It's invalid now. Never mind. Just in case you're wondering when it's invalid, so I have a divergence here, okay, and it just crossed over, so that means it's invalid. No more divergence. Ah, look at it. What the hell? Did somebody say something? Probably a president say something stupid. One of them. Again. Oh, now we got a new divergence. Pretty good. Got divergence again. We get a higher low. Might be a change of direction. You get a change of direction, probably hit over here to this level. Be interesting to buy all the way to the top. I'm not saying it's going to be me, by the way. High low, now we got a high. Fine. Even if you see the patterns here, I see the high low. At the divergence, it means changing direction. But it didn't change shit. Because people don't want to change it. That's the way it goes. There's still people selling. So it's money decides. Money actually that's the word I'm looking for. Money decide if chart pattern or a line or resistance or support is gonna hold or break. Money decides, nothing else. Are we still on divergence? We still are. We still have divergence. And now I have it over here. Now I have it here. And we still have divergence. All these levels are as today's market profile, by the way. This is past market. This is a couple days back that I put them there. And this is not a bad one, by the way. this is a good one because it's right next to S3. This second deviation VWAP is about to hit it too, which is another indication we might touch it. But we do have a divergence here and divergence down here. So a high low, if I get a high low, that tells me that we're gonna change direction. The fast EMA is about to cross over the small DNA, so we're gonna have DNA, the small EMA. So we're about to have a crossover here. So that also means a change in sentiment. So keep in mind for all that. So as you can see, I'm not looking just at the candles. I'm examining the whole thing, keeping everything in picture. And if you come over here, you start to see this humongous pattern. What is it? You're having a bear flag. Yeah, enormous bear flag all the way down. And this, that's your bear flag right there. Oh, take this one out because it's confusing. Actually, you know what? Why don't I just make that line a little bit thicker? A little bit thicker now. Three. Yeah, the 32. I'm gonna make that a default. I'll make that my default. Open. Didn't take it. Do it. Fine. It's gonna be a 3. Fine. Save as default. Yes. All right, so here we go. Was there news today? Yeah, anyway. Oh, I think there was news at 10. Oh shit, there was a news at 10. Oh, holy crap. All right, so we forgot. We forgot there was news at 10. We got news. Changing the ratio. Now we have change generations. You have a divergence, high low. That is change your direction. It's no longer a flag. Oh. So now we hold on because this is just news reaction. News about put it down. All manufacturing PMI. We got news on Thursday too. 10 a.m. Nice. Hey guys, don't forget to like and share, please, my channel here for people to come in and see me trading. I mean, if you like this content, please like and share. I don't know if anybody's watching, so Not too thick. Yeah, that might be too thick. Interesting. We broke that. Problem is, we're still under the news range. That's why I didn't take that one. Just waiting. Couple minutes past. It's already been 2 minutes, 3 minutes now. That's the news. Yeah, that's too thick. I'll put that shit at 1, 2, out of 2, 2, 2. Save. It's default. Okay, that's better. Cool. Retest here. The only problem with the retest here is that we broke over, but still valid for a short. I still think we're gonna come down here, so especially when you have this, the second deviation VWAP and the S3. I mean, one of my pivot point doesn't matter which one it is, as long as it's close to it. Most likely scenario, we're gonna hit it. So. Only problem if I take it here, it's gonna be a long way back. I think it's worth it. Now it's gonna leave me behind. It's worse. Oh, I can put it here. You think the probability would be we might come into one of the mile marker will be right here. This level here, probably somewhere around here. You're holding. Indicator still looking down, so the minute something changes, I'll take a profit out. But this area here, possibility that I'll find a strong pushback here. I'm gonna take it there, little deviation there. All right. But so somewhere around here, it's gonna get that strong pushback. When you have a strong trend, either way, up or down, that's where you gotta maximize your money. But you got days that are, just bouncing between two levels, something like that all day. It's just quick trick trades and get out as soon as you can, like I did yesterday. If you watch my video yesterday, you'll see me taking quick trades, watching the candles, watching how they're developing, this and that, making sure not to leave too much money behind, or making sure it doesn't turn back around me. I don't think I took a loss yesterday. I don't think I lost a single trade yesterday. Or if I did, it wasn't a big one. It wasn't a big loss. Here we go. That's what I thought. Good job. But here, remember my prediction was down here because of this. So come and get it. You want it. Move my stop right there. Probably gonna stop me. And there you go. Anyway, $3,200, not bad for one day. And all I did just watch the candle structure, watch my levels, and keeping out my indicators. That's all I did. Nothing else. I made a prediction what I think the market was gonna go and go after it. Don't take a trade if you don't know where the market's gonna go. If you don't know, well, you're never gonna be 100% sure. I already said it, but if you have an inkling or an idea where the market's gonna go, at least you have something, a target to hit at, and then follow that target. That's it. That's simple. All right, guys. Again, I'm always available. If you have any question, you can ask me, but it looks like I'll be done for the day. It's already 10, and I made good money. There's two levels. Did I put those two levels? I put this level here. Yeah, there's two levels I put. These were all points. This is right in the middle. Something tell me if I stick around, I'm gonna lose money. Well, I think I should leave it here. Oh, but we're still in a downtrend though. The downtrend means money, or uptrend. And when you have a trend available, that's when you wanna maximize it. So let's hold down. Let me hold down a little bit longer. Not that I'm greedy, it's just the opportunity's there. Why do I want to leave it? I don't know why I would. Why was I saying goodbye? There's no reason. No reason whatsoever. I haven't even taken a loss today. What's a penny? All positive. Hopefully you notice I got divergence down there. There's your divergence right there. I was thinking of doing my old videos the way I used to do them. Just have them, just the music and just the trade by itself, no explanation, just the music and the trade. That's it. I got good views out of that. But that was years ago. Actually, let me check. How old was that? That was years ago. I did. You believe it or not? I did forget. I did forget that I had this channel. I was going through some stuff there, some personal stuff. Really, it was really bad. It was really bad. Not health wise, not me, but personal stuff. If you're married, you will know how hard things can hit you. We worked it out. We worked it out. We're doing really good. I love it. So, let's see. Let me see. Let me see. YouTube. Okay. Interesting. Nobody's watching. It says one person, but that's probably me watching my channels. Oh shoot! I closed it by mistake. All right. Let me see how old was those videos. Oh, the old videos. The last one was 3 years ago. Oh wow. 3 years. Four. No. Okay. So 4 years ago. The last one was 4 years ago. The other was like four. What? So I've been. Hold on. Sheesh. I've been doing this for 8 or 9 years. I don't even know. I thought it was like five. I have memory problems though. My memory is really kind of shot. Um, slightly bad. I have problem remember things when I was like in my 20s. I gotta go ask my brother. Sometimes I have doubts. Hey, did this happen? He said, nope, it happened, but not to you, or something like that. So I'm mixing memories too. By the way, I don't know if that's a thing. It looks like it's a thing for me. Um, everybody's gone. There's no volume right now. Again, because it's 10, 10, 17. Everybody made their money already in the morning. That's what's going on. Everybody made them. Wow. It's been a while. So um the what I said was it yesterday. It takes about 5 years. That's true. If you only look at NQ or the ES, if you want to do ES, it's a little bit more controlled than NQ. NQ is a little bit wild. Uh, but if you wanna do this, you gotta put in the time. You gotta be in there for years, just looking at the charts. Slap yourself in some indicators. You don't need expensive indicators. This is just the MACD and the RSI. They just put them together. You don't have to. I mean, you can separate them, or just use the MACD and that's it. I highly recommend you get the license because you need, so you can grab this. This is, I mean, a lot of times you'll see the reaction here before you see over here, and then you have to make a decision because sometimes, let's say it goes down and it's going down and the market's just not doing nothing. The candles are just staying put, but this is going down. Two things may happen. Either the buyers are getting absorbed, and I mean the sellers are getting absorbed, and it might shoot up, or it might shoot down. So I guess it doesn't say much. But believe it or not, most of the times it just means that it's gonna rip, especially if you can put it with the indicators. So don't take one without the others. If you have a theory, or if you have a trading idea, you put all that together before. And by the way, don't take my trades, please, because my trades they're on delay. There's a delay. So even if you're gonna enter later than me, and you're gonna take your profit before me. I mean later than me, after me, and or getting out after me, which means you might get stuck with a fail short or long, whatever. So yeah, don't. This is just purely for entertainment and education purposes, so you can see that it can be done, and the tools that are needed, which is not much. I'm not using much. I do have one more indicator down here. I'm waiting for the owner to tell me whether I can use it or I can share it. I can show it. I don't see why wouldn't he, but I still don't want to do it without him. So once I see he says yes, then I'll put it up here. But I hardly rely on it. Really, just this tool right here. It's a great one, especially for when you're on the trend. When you're in the range, ooh, those indicators really do shine, really do. So I don't know if you notice, I'm seeing this right now. I'm sorry, I didn't draw the line, but I'm seeing this. Okay, that's what I'm seeing, which is a problem because it just means went down, tested again, and now we're gonna test it one more time for a third time. That line, we might be going up, and we also have divergence. You have divergence here. You have divergence. So, and then there's no volume. And by the way, I don't know if you noticed, with the way I trade. I'm very, very aggressive. So that's not for everybody. That's definitely not for everybody. I'm very aggressive. When I go to trade, I might put in one or two, or I might just drop 8 contracts. Depends on what I see. Um, so it'll be very dangerous for somebody to follow my trading. You can learn by me, but don't take my trades. Come to your own conclusion. This is interesting. But making a small little saucepan. I want to take. I do want to take it, but I don't think it's enough to make it up here. If make to this level, to the P level, the pivot point. I think so. Oh, that was a good one. You got. I hear you got this. That means up. I didn't take it. I did not. It's just not enough volume. You see, even though I saw the pattern, that does not mean nothing. The higher probability, but I didn't see enough. The indicators were not telling me, yeah, this is gonna fly. Because I wasn't seeing it. If I get a bad hunch, I won't take it. Or I have to be all in. Like, yes, yes, like you get so excited that you have to take it. Yeah, 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 this is gonna go. Um, so and that only comes from watching the what is it called? The market for a long period, years. From watching the market for a long year, that's when you get that feeling. So we did crossover, but it looks like we're about to cross over down again. Guess we're not done with going down. Don't have anything down here. Just this levels that I put. This right here, this was a gap back in the days. It's not a gap anymore. That's an old gap that I believe we closed. Maybe not. I believe I closed that. I closed. I believe we closed that gap. I like to be proactive, just moving my chart all the time, moving it, making sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Of course, I'm seeing what I'm seeing, but I mean, I'm saying is, you know, I'm taking in the data. I'm really taking it in. So I want to make sure. No, I want to make sure I don't miss anything. I miss something. We haven't broken this area here. We're about to now, and we did. It was a really good candle. I just don't see it. Don't see, I didn't see anything really. Oh, the thing seems to be giving money today, huh? I think we're gonna hit this because it got this V1. And let's do it. Play for it. I'll take it there. I think it's gonna hit here. Wait, not gonna raise too much because we what I think we way too extended. Way too extended. Need a reaction. Need a reaction. I'm calling it quit. I got that. My foot on the quit button real fast. Yes. Sorry about that. I got electrical panels being inspected right now. They put them in, what was it, last week, 2 weeks ago. I can quit there. That's why I was like skeptical about this. We're so far extended. So extended. Might make it here. Look how far this fucker is. This is your divergence right here. This is a high low, but I wouldn't count that high low. And I want to be a little bit more candles, like something to here. Then we have something. Take it again. You know, I'm gonna be very, very careful with that. Ooh, oh wow, that's one hell of a rejection. But see that long week means the price got rejected. Not interested in it. Not good. I'm gonna get out. Price got rejected. Look, you see this candle right here? You see that long week? That means the seller was coming in and the huge black or buyers came in. That's what it means. You see something like that, like long candle, long week. Look at that reaction. Look at that. I would have been, I would have left some money behind. Again, I mean, like, it looked good and everything, but uh, this was not the strongest anyway. Just because this wasn't the strongest, because all you have is this, and then come down. I want to see something like this, then come down. Yeah, not that little thingy, not little candles like that. Especially after you huge reaction here. You guys gotta learn how to read all that too, by the way. You have a crossover. See, like this is much better. This is much better. Have this. If it comes down here, actually down. If anything, retest and come back down. But this could also be a change in direction since we have a divergence at this, by the way. And I just started now. At this is that's usually a change in direction. Now we're going up. And I saw it now. Because we have divergence here and divergence here. The higher low. On a huge level. There's a lot of we call it, it's a lot of levels here. So I think we're done going down. So the next target will be up here. This one. It's a long way up. We're making a cradle down. Now this is very juicy down. So either we have a continuation, we make all the way up to here. Or possibly come down to this area here. The money's up. Just because we had this and a higher low right here, divergence, 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 high low, and a huge level tells me we change the directions. Well, I'm gonna take that out of there. Hmm. I don't know if you notice, I'm looking at this level right now. Oh, we're gonna have a meltdown. We're gonna have. It looks like we're gonna have a meltdown. I wanna be there. Either either it has a meltdown or I will have a meltdown. Somebody's gonna have a meltdown. This is that starting to become really, really juicy. I want to put a short so bad. Finish, I'll just put one. Huh? The best pot right here. Probably lose about 200 bucks. Potential to make a lot of money. For 100 bucks, not bad. Oh, it's more now, but you know. I'll lose like $200 or $300, but if anything, I'll flip it over there too, by the way. I usually don't like to flip it, but in this situation, because you can't go either way, it's like everything. But over here, I think it's most likely it's gonna go down. Down here. But if it doesn't, I think it's gonna take a huge bounce here, and then we're definitely gonna establish that uptrend. It hasn't been established yet. A huge reaction here. I only put in one contract and put my usual two. Just to have, I just want to have that entry right there, and if anything, I'll add more later on. That's a very good candle, by the way. You gotta win to finish. Go a second one. Keep it short. Tight. Take that one. I still like it, so it might do this and then shut down. We're about to have a crossover too. Gives it more fuel for short. More fuel. So wait for a better candle. Nice structure for short. Duking it out. Sure. Keep anticipating the crossover. I do the same. Don't do the same. Here. Hold on. As you can see, I take very little risk. And I see something not going my way, I either cut it or just don't put that many contracts if I'm not 100% sure. But I think the problem is I think we might be exhausted going down. So That's why I'm only cautious here. It can easily turn back around. This might be my last one though, by the way. This is we're entering that huge area here, which is a lot of levels here. That's why I got this the region mark off. There's a lot of levels there. Instead of putting a bunch of lines, just one region does the job. A lot of a lot of a lot of levels means a lot of support. But this means more chances for the candles to bounce up. Gotta be careful with that. All levels, but everything's pointing down, so I'm gonna have one more, but no. Wow, look at this. Not good. But with that crossover, oh, I'm not risking much, so I'm just gonna leave it and see. Went close to my level and now rejected. Interesting. Hold on, one more. I know. like how like this is looking down. I like it, but that was the last push I'm gonna wait for. If it doesn't happen, yeah, I don't like that. Like I'm gonna get out. If it takes too long to get the reaction I want, it still can happen, but most likely it's gonna happen. But I want to give my money back. Yeah. I, I chase it. We'll see. Would be a bad idea. Starting to look a bit. Uh-oh. Shit. 125 buy block. And tactics. What I needed. Bought a bunch of decks. Hopefully they get crossover. Hoping they get crushed. Because if not, I get crushed. So it's working out for me. That's good. Good. Good more. fighting not to get out. It's because this is melting. This is still on the lower. It's not pointing down. That's the problem. $11 o'clock, getting close to the end. Well, the end for me, but a lot of people finish around here, 11:30. So final position for a lot of people. I'm hoping final position is down, as the trend was down. This candle means indecision. Two indecisions, possibly. A lot of levels here. Problem. Making me sweat this one. Okay. I took some out just because I don't want to go through that again. So okay, about to have a heart attack. Anyway, so right now we should be in a little free fall for a second. So I'm gonna leave it there. Everything is melting, everything's pointing down. About to get out of here, that means a lot of stops are gonna get crushed. So I'm hoping for a little free fall for a second. Got my finger poised at the quit button just in case. That was a little bit of a nerve-wracking trade. Let me tell you, that was a nerve-wracking trade. I was counting on a lot of things, and not many of them were technical analysis. Ooh. Oh. Punching down, punching down. Again, 11 o'clock, a lot of people are calling it quit for the day. So call it quit there. Yeah, I might be down for the day. $4,800 for the day is not bad. Really good. I'm just about, I want to say about $10,000 short from being where I was on all the money I lost. There was a day there that I lost like $27,000, I think it is. I'm about $10,000 from that point again. So I'm gonna say, I think it's, I know about $12,000, about $12,000. So I'm hoping by the end of this week, get pretty close, and then the following week finish it, get to that money, and from there, I might do. I'll do probably do a live platform. I don't know which one I'm gonna go. Most likely it's gonna be Apex because I'm good with them. So I'll probably give Apex a try, and so you guys can see me get funded and bring that account up on there and then get paid. I don't know how I'm gonna do that so everybody can see it. Now I'm not doing this so people get involved in this and lose money. Oh, look at that, lose money. That's not what I'm doing. I'm doing it because I want you guys to see that you can make money and that you don't need that much. You don't need to pay somebody thousands of dollars to learn this shit. You can learn it yourself. Just watching the market, watching the candles and all that stuff. If you're going to invest on something, I would invest in a good indicator. I got the indicators that I got. I put it good. One that I got over here is that I'm not showing you. I'm waiting for him to answer me. So that's the only indicator I recommend you guys get. Pretty sure there are orders out there. This one is on point, is on fire, especially for range day. It's on fire. Because when you're on a downtrend, you don't need more. You don't need much indicator, just something to give you an idea that we're going down. We're about to hit that level. I told you. See, I knew it was gonna be on a free fall. I'm about to hit this level that I said. That was really juicy. God damn it! I might stick around for a little bit. I forget it. I ain't gonna hit it now. The second deviation VWAP, and actually, with that indicator, you get all this. And I don't own it, by the way. I don't own that shit. I don't own it. I'm not smart enough to create any of this. It comes with this. It comes with the off zone. It comes with all this stuff in there that I don't even use. It comes with this. It lets you do this. Remove all the drawing with one button. Remove everything. So it don't matter. It don't matter how much indicator power you got. If you don't have the analytical skills and the patience to do this, then no indicator is gonna help you. None. It's all about you. Okay. Actually, there was a guy I was watching, a YouTube guy, a guy on YouTube, a guy on YouTube, and he was planning that either him or there was somebody on a destroyer that he had to do a watch, night watch, and he was watching the radar, and inside that radar all of a sudden he saw a little bleep, and now that little bleep, I guess it could have been one of their guys or it could have been an enemy. And supposedly the guy didn't know, he was sweating bullets because if he calls in an enemy, we'll be shooting down one of their plane. I mean, if we call it an enemy and it's not, you'll be shooting down one of the friends. So, but there was something about that bleep that told him that was not friendly. Something about it. So he goes ahead, and after most deviation, not much, he didn't have much time, he went with his guns and he called it an enemy, and then they shot. They did a huge investigation. The whole thing went crazy. A guy was investigated. It actually turns out that he made the right call. But the reason we've been investigated because how does he know that was the right call? And what he said was he didn't know if it was friendly or not. All he knows that there was something strange with that bleep that didn't bleep like the other planes, and it told him that that was not a friendly plane. And with the reason for that downturn, I might be butchering it up a little bit. Actually, I might be butchering it up a lot. The reason I'm telling you that is because we're gonna hit this. Oh, where we are. The reason I'm telling you this is because sometimes you see something, a pattern, or something the candle doesn't go right somewhere, and that instinct kicks in like it's kicking in right now. It's like, we're gonna hit this. This is what's telling me right now. And that little hunch is what actually kept that guy safe, because all those years of looking at the radiators. He was a seasoned radiator guy, whatever, not radiator. What is it called? Zona guy. He was a seasoned zona guy. He'd been looking at it for a long time, so he knew that was not normal. Or everybody left. No volume, huh? That should have triggered everything. Uh, that's how he come up with the idea that it was not friendly. It is a very short trip to here. I don't see anything else here, but we might make it here. Am I gonna take it? Maybe. Maybe. It's starting to look good, let me tell you. Really good. If anything, I'll take a short one just to here. If I can get there. Profit here. I know it's not much, but every penny counts. I don't know what to tell you. If you're always going for home runs, you're not gonna win the season. And I don't always go for home run. I might aim for a home run, but I'll take a double or a single any day. And I even run the base. This is running the bases right there. If you want to use baseball analogy. If it goes, we break this, might go down. Thinking this is a good point to take it. We are still going down, but nah. This indicator right here is still going down. I know when I do my short videos, this indicator is not popping, so I gotta do something about it. Let me remove all this. It gets cleaned up a little bit. Well, you won't see what I'm looking for. Almost. If we break this, it's gonna go down. So let me go down a little bit more. I put it close. Yeah, I'll take that in there. Okay. I hit 5,000 with that. I think I did. I think I hit 5,000, which is good. Uh, my biggest week, just in case you were wondering what was my biggest day, I think it was 12,000, 13,000. That was a little while back. If anything, I'm still breaking even here. Yeah, but I'm secure for 5,000. So anything else right now is just, well, anything is extra right now, but I'm secure for 5,000. I don't know if we'll make it here, but doesn't hurt to dream. Try to write it down, because right now I'm happy where I'm at. Oh, you know, I call this area that this is a high potential because it's very, very juicy. Wait, I called that area? No, that wasn't the area. I called this area over here. But this area, this that you see here, it was at one point it was a gap in prior weeks back, and I left it there. I usually don't, but I left that one there, and the thing I did paid out. Hmm. Oh, where's the people? Oh, it's time. Yeah, I think I'm down for today. Yeah, I went to this level. There's no volume. No, basically, there's no reason to trade. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it quit here. So hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to